Bring us the very best DIY off-grid solar quote that you've received in Texas, and watch us blow that quote right out of the water while we provide you with higher quality, longer lasting, higher performance, top name brand products at a price that simply can't be beat.
Neon fades as the system breaks, a fragile network starts to shake. Thunder rolls through shattered lines, silence spreads in borrowed time. Current forge where others fold, hardwired strength, relentless cold as the surface fractures ready to tear. A steady rhythm cuts through the air when the world shuts down in the dead of night. There's a source that never loses sight. Hide core, holding through the outage. Power without a promise, relentless force, awakened strong. When everything drops, it carries on. Built for the long fight, all hours burning day and night. When the network falls and the dark takes hold, we're still alive. Hide core.
We use only the finest inverters, solar modules, and batteries in our DIY off-grid solar systems. Our inverters are built with heavy-duty output transformers, making them far more resistant to lightning strikes and EMP exposure than the high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. And because our systems are engineered around true low-frequency transformer-based inverters, you never have to worry about damaging your home's appliances the way lightweight transformerless designs can. This system also includes high-quality, easily installed Integra Rack ground-mount solar racks. No concrete footings, no post-pounding, and no earth augers needed. So easy to install that you can complete the installation of 10 solar modules in just under 100 minutes. Proudly made in the USA with US-sourced aircraft-grade aluminum.